The world is changing faster than anyone realizes. And while most people go about their day thinking their careers are safe, a silent revolution is unfolding in offices, studios, and companies around the globe. Invisible yet unstoppable. A revolution where artificial intelligence is not just assisting humans, but quietly replacing them, taking over jobs, roles, and responsibilities that were once thought untouchable. From customer service agents whose conversations are now handled by AI chatbots capable of responding instantly, perfectly, and without fatigue, to creative professionals in design studios where entire visual campaigns, logos, animations, social media content, and marketing materials can now be generated in minutes, replacing hours or even days of human labor. To programmers and developers who rely on AI coding assistants to write, debug, optimize, and even suggest entire projects while a single engineer oversees what once required entire teams. To financial analysts whose painstaking data crunching, identifying anomalies, spotting hidden patterns, and generating actionable insights, reporting, and trend predictions are now completed by AI in seconds. That would take humans weeks or months to uncover. To legal professionals whose research, drafting, and document analysis is performed faster, more accurately, and with less error by intelligent systems. To marketing teams where AI now generates content, social media posts, and ad campaigns that once required multiple employees. And even in research labs, AI can analyze vast datasets, run simulations, and produce reports in minutes, dramatically accelerating innovation while reducing the human workforce. And while this may sound like science fiction, it is already reality in companies like Amazon, Microsoft, Google, OpenAI, and countless others, reshaping workflows, redefining efficiency, and making roles that once seemed indispensable suddenly vulnerable. And the truly shocking part is that most people don't even notice, continuing to assume their careers are untouchable while algorithms silently learn, adapt, and outperform human tasks in ways unimaginable just a decade ago. And this is not about robots in factories or obvious repetitive tasks. It is about high-skill white-collar roles, positions that rely on analysis, creativity, strategy, and judgment being quietly automated, without fanfare, without warning, and without recognition of the scale of this change. And companies are investing billions not just to cut costs, but to gain speed, precision, and market dominance, because in this new economy, the first to adopt AI gains an almost unfair advantage, reshaping industries before the human workforce even notices. And as these changes ripple across sectors, marketing, design, tech development, finance, law, yet here we are, at a crossroads where adaptability, foresight, and human insight are now the most valuable currency. And the fascinating part of this transformation is not just the speed or scale, but the subtlety, the quiet integration of AI into daily work algorithms that schedule, analyze, optimize, and execute, all invisible, silent, and relentless, reshaping the very definition of productivity. And if you think this is only happening in tech giants, creative agencies, law firms, marketing teams, research labs, healthcare, logistics, education, and even government organizations, and the jobs being replaced are not entry-level, but positions that require advanced thinking, decision-making, specialized knowledge, and strategic insight, making this shift feel surreal, yet inevitable. And as we explore these industries, we uncover how AI is quietly redesigning the workforce, from office cubicles to creative studios, from coding labs to boardrooms, leaving humans to adapt, evolve, or risk obsolescence. And while fear dominates most discussions about AI, the reality is more nuanced. The opportunities are enormous for those who anticipate the change, who learn to work alongside AI, who embrace it as a partner rather than a threat. Because understanding which roles are disappearing, which skills are becoming obsolete, and which capabilities will be most valuable in the future is the key to thriving in this new world. And the truth is that AI is already outperforming humans in specific tasks, learning at speeds beyond traditional training, analyzing patterns, producing content, predicting outcomes, and yet humans still hold an edge in creativity, intuition, empathy, and emotional intelligence. And the real challenge, and the real opportunity, is integrating these uniquely human skills with the computational power of AI to create something far greater than either could achieve alone. And as we dive deeper into this story, we reveal real-world examples of companies quietly implementing AI systems that replace roles once thought untouchable, from customer support teams shrinking as bots take over repetitive interactions, to design agencies cutting production timelines dramatically with generative AI, to software teams leveraging AI to automate code review, testing, and deployment, to finance departments reducing analysts' workloads by delegating pattern recognition, forecasting and reporting to machines, to law firms using AI for rapid document review, contract drafting, and research analysis, to creative studios generating video content and marketing campaigns without human staff. And each of these examples illustrates the silent but unstoppable shift of AI from assistant to replacement. And the personal reality is that careers, livelihoods, and futures are all at stake, making it essential to understand, adapt, and innovate. Because while AI takes over predictable, repetitive, or data-heavy tasks, it also frees humans to focus on creative strategy, critical thinking, leadership, and problem-solving. Yet the transition will be uncomfortable, forcing a reassessment of what skills matter, which industries will thrive, and what roles humans will occupy in a world increasingly dominated by intelligent machines. And the companies embracing this shift fastest, the tech giants, innovative startups, and forward-thinking corporations are gaining unprecedented advantage, consolidating power and shaping the workforce in ways most people don't even see. And the choice facing viewers is stark. Understand the transformation, prepare for it, leverage it, or ignore it and risk being left behind, because this is not a distant threat. It is happening today, in real workplaces, real industries, and it is reshaping everything from how we work, how value is measured, to how human potential is defined. And as we examine the tools, the companies, and the hidden changes underway, it becomes clear that the AI revolution is not coming. It has already arrived. It is silent, invisible, and relentless. And understanding it, anticipating it, and preparing for it is not just smart. It is essential, because those who learn to work with AI will thrive, innovate, and lead, while those who resist or ignore it risk obsolescence. And so as we trace these hidden shifts, explore these quiet transformations, and uncover the industries and jobs being reshaped, we realize that this is the most profound workforce change of our lifetime, redefining careers, industries, and the very meaning of human work. And the ultimate question is not whether AI will replace jobs, but whether we, as individuals, companies, and societies, are ready to adapt, to evolve, and to seize the unprecedented opportunities this revolution presents. Because AI is not the future, it is now, it is everywhere. It is replacing, reshaping, and rewriting the rules of work invisibly, irreversibly, and inevitably, and those who understand it, anticipate it, and act on it, will define the next era of human and technological progress, leaving the rest behind, while those who ignore it risk being left out of the new world entirely, because this is the dawn of a transformation unlike anything we have ever seen. A quiet, unstoppable, invisible force, reshaping careers, industries, and the very fabric of human work. And understanding it, adapting to it, and leveraging it is not optional. It is essential for anyone who wants to thrive in the age of artificial intelligence.